U.S. credit surged in May as consumers borrowed an additional $22.3 billion while the Fed lowered their balance sheet and raised rates. What does this mean to you? It means that everything is less affordable. It's Friday, July 15, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. This is unfortunate news about consumer credit since many consumers had actually gotten out of debt and saved more money due to their spending less during the COVID quarantine period. Affordability affects home buying as rates increase, borrowing ratios change, and since prices are still rising, purchasing is already more challenging in our area. Inventory is up this week in Annapolis and buyer showings are down 29.2%. Right now, there are 158 homes for sale in Annapolis, up 9% from last report. 30 homes are coming soon, down slightly this week. 35 homes came to market since last week, on par with last report. 25 homes went under contract, up from last week's report. 23 homes are temporarily off the market, on par. 17 homes went pending, up from last week. 28 homes sold in 1 day longer at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Wild Rose Shores for $7,750,000. Rental inventory fell to 17 homes for lease at $26.50 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 15th. Until next week, be well. Cheers.